my first package from a YouTuber. So I know what's in here. I know who it came from. So, uh-oh. No knife. Not a problem. You boys been doing it all wrong. See how easy that was? Okay. I guess it was last week, yeah. My neighbor got a free saw from me from the dump. It was a Husky 45. Parts kind of hard to get. For some reason, I don't know why. But anyhow, this one here is a 40. Simple Man sent it to me for parts. Yeah, I just might make both of them run. But it turns. Compression's low. So, that little project, I guess. Anyhow, y'all need me to open any packages for me, for you, just let me know. There's a very good reason this saw ain't got no compression. That might hurt a little bit on compression. It's smooth. Okay, thanks, Simple Man. Really appreciate it. Y'all take care. Thanks for watching.